Hello everybody and welcome to Mac the Dragon Railways, and today in this video I'm going to show you all a website called Model Rail Database. I found this through a YouTube channel and I think it deserves a video to get it out there because it's actually quite a good website to use. The website allows you to browse certain locomotives by different categories, and you can find out the livery, when it was built and what motor it was in and stuff about the real engine. And if you scroll down on that page, it links you to eBay where you can maybe find these locomotives. So you can use it to check on a locomotive you've seen on eBay or a locomotive you own if you're curious as to, maybe you haven't opened the motor, you want to know what motor it has, or you want to know when it was built. So my main focus is when were these models made, not the real things. And the locomotives I will be looking at today is my 08 Shunter 08201 in BR Blue. Now what I'm saying is important. My Hornby Peckett in National Coalboard livery. And a bonus one because I am actually quite curious as to when this model was made. The old Lima 94XX, I have the modern 94XX by Bachmann team of locomotion models to make 9400. Well, I also have, as you may remember if you're a long-time viewer, the old version 9400 by Lima. So, without further ado, let's get on the computer and have a look. So here you see me on the page. So today we are going to look at locomotives, but you can see they do wagons and coaches. So here I will be selecting locomotives. Then this page pops up where you will fill in your information. So today we're looking at the 08. So I scroll down on locomotive type and I find 08. Then I look at the operator, which was British Rail. Then I looked at the company that made it, which I, of course, selected Hornby. And then finally, I found what I was looking for. R780 BR Class 08 Loco Diesel Shunter. So once I click on the number, this beautiful page loads up, telling me the operator, the livery, the number, what length, the era, if it does DCC, the motor, which on here says Type 7, but I know it's the X04, so some parts of this website may not be accurate, but that's okay. The first radius curve, and then you've got information about the real locomotive, and the catalogue about the actual model itself, saying it's built by Hornby, the number, what it's classed under, what gauge it's in, what finish it's in, and the year it was built, which was 1982. So this website is extremely interesting when it comes to looking at your locomotives. It also will be something very useful if you are trying to research a model and the real thing for a review. And finally, if you scroll down a little bit, you will find a section of eBay where you can see the locomotive you have searched for, or rolling stock, depending on what you're looking for. So let's find the Peckett. So first I will click on locomotives, seeing as the Peckett is a locomotive, and it will take me back to the main page. Now I want to press this yellow button called Reset Search, so that will clear my previous search of the BR Blue 08 Shunter. Then I can continue on the main page to search for the Peckett. This time I'm not going to fill in everything, I'm just going to fill in Hornby, the brand, and I'm just going to search the product code, and bravo, here it is, R3695, my Peckett & Sons B2 in the National Coalboard livery. So all I have to do now is click on the R number and load up that amazing page again. So here it tells me the operator National Coalboard, line blue, 1455, even has a nice picture that is seen on the Hornby box. Also has, built in 1953 though, I'm thinking that is wrong, but that isn't with research, so they may be right. And it doesn't say how many were produced, though it tells me the builder, the R number, the scale, the finish, and it was made in 2019, sorry. So yeah, and it also says it has a DCC 6-pin socket, which I know it does. and as well as having a 3-pole skew wound motor, which I also know it has. So with a quick read of the back of the box, the Peckett was actually built in 1918, so I have no clue why they would have put 1953. So like I said earlier, there is a few imperfections, but really it's a good website to have a look at and explore the world of your model railways, and you may learn a little bit more about it. So anyway, back to pressing that Locomotives button, refreshing the page and searching in for my Lima 94XX. Now, in my personal opinion, putting in class and operator and livery can take some time. I haven't put in publication before, so all I'd done was put Lima under builder, as that's easier to find, and I searched the Locomotives number, aka 9400, and it's soon to show up on the list, and I clicked on the catalogue number and the page loaded up as normal. So here we go, the final one, the operated Great Western Railway, the livery green, the number, era 3. It can't do DCC, as we know. Then we got information about the actual engine, steam, when it was built, how many were built, and the actual locomotive itself, which is built by Lima. Catalogue number, which I didn't know before, was L2051117, and we all know it's double O gauge, finished in pristine, but it doesn't tell me when it was built, the actual model, which in a way I was really looking forward to finding out the date and the age of it, but never mind, you can't win everything. So either way, we've learnt the catalogue number, which isn't anything too important apart from, I guess, a review. But I believe I still have the box for this, so it's probably on the side. So thank you for watching this video on the website Model Rail Database. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing with your friends, as sharing is caring. I shall link Model Rail Database into the description of this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. See you next week, everyone.